And now the fun part. Let's put the light bulb on and enjoy the final look. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do one of the DIY project, which I'm going to turn this old kitchen slash snack bar table into a new table for my new coffee corner. So let's see how it looks. And before we start, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Asma Diab. I'm an interior architect, and in my channel you're gonna find all the topics about interior design and decor, DIY projects, and some art drawing tutorials. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button to be updated every time I upload new video. Well, I start off with sanding the surface using the rough sanding paper to get the surface ready for primer and painting. But before sanding, I took out all the hardwares from the tip.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic.
And actually, because it's old table, so it has some breaking and losing part, I have to glue it using a Gorilla Glue for wood.
All that is blackness.
Then the next step is applying the primer. Make sure you clean the surface after sanding. You start to apply the first coat of primer and leave it to completely dry, and then you can apply the next primer coat. Usually I do 2 coats. If you want to do 3, it's up to you. So primer is gonna work as like a bond between the surface and the paint. Don't forget to use the tape mask for the unwanted areas to be sprayed.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain.
And for the painting, I choose this green color, which is very trendy this year. And the green color also give me this impression of vintage or old furniture we used to paint the kitchens and other piece of furnitures in green in 50s and 60s. So I'm gonna apply 2 coats and let it completely dry between each coat. And after the 2 coats completely dry, I usually leave it like 24 hours and then I apply the wax layer.
Work is. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil.
I was thinking at the beginning to add some distressed paint, like to give these textures all here and where of the table, but I ended up with decision that I wanted this contrast between the vintage decoration I'm gonna add on the wall and the sleek smooth color of the table.
Keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling. You keep bluffing, you've got nothing. I'll keep hustling.
Now it's my favorite part, which is decorating, craft, and painting the vintage pictures I will hang on the wall above the table. I got these wall brackets from Walmart and I started to paint it with acrylic paint in brown to give it that old vintage look for the wood piece. Make sure you add more water in the acrylic paint so you can see all the wood grains underneath the color. For the lighting part, I bought this light cord with switch button from Walmart. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box with enough length of the cord for the light hanger.
I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
And now the exciting part, let's put the light bulb on and enjoy the final look.
Cap, I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up.
And the most exciting and fun part for me is painting the vintage pictures. You can buy it online from any website, but I would rather do it by myself, draw and paint these pictures. It's not only saving money, but I enjoy painting. And I'm going very soon to upload these vintage drawing painting tutorials on my channel. So don't forget to hit the little bell next to subscribe button to not miss these videos. I got the shelf from IKEA. They have 3 different shades of color. I choose the dark one to match with the wall bracket color and the other decoration in the area.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be.
Okay guys, we came to the end of this video today. So let me know what you think in the comment below. If I need to add something or change anything, I can wait to hear your suggestions. And before I go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So see you next time. Bye.
I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate. won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something